In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the program called PlayPosit. First, open up a browser. Type in PlayPosit. Then it's going to ask you to log in. Sign in with your Google Plus account or your school Google account. Scroll down and go ahead and click Allow. So you can see here's the dashboard of PlayPosit. Mine's kind of filled because I've been using it for a little bit. And what you want to do is you want to create. So you want to click on Design Video Bulb. Now you want to copy and paste a URL. I just happen to have one ready to go.
Hello and welcome. This is
And if you do it correctly, this gray button will turn blue. Go ahead and click Continue. And then give it a title. How to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And then you can add a learning objective if you'd like. Choose a subtopic, biology, and then go ahead and click Begin Building. Apparently I need to add a learning objective. Learn to make my own lunch. Now I'll go ahead and click Begin Building. Okay. So in this window here, the video will play, and what it allows you to do, it allows you to embed questions at certain points in the video to check for student understanding.
Hello and welcome. This is episode number 1 of Traditional School.
So at this point, let's say I want to add a question. Go ahead and click Add Question, and then you have a variety of questions. Now, 3 of them, multiple choice, free response, and reflective pause. These are the free version. Anything else you have to pay for. I like to use the free stuff. So I'm going to choose multiple choice. And I'll ask a question. What episode is this? Right. Add your answers. 1, 2, and if I want to add another answer, let's say 3. Okay? So I've asked my question. I have my answers. Make sure you select the correct answer. In this case, it is 1. But if I wanted 2, I'd just select 2, or I'd select 3. But it is 1. And then click Save.
School lunches. Today I'm going to explain.
So now at that point in time, there is a question. And you continue adding questions wherever you feel fit to gauge their understanding. So now let's say you're done. Right? Go ahead and click Save and Continue. It'll ask you to assign, but we'll talk about this we'll talk about this later. Just click Save. And what happens is when you get saved, you see this share URL? This is your opportunity to go ahead and copy, right, Control-C, copy that URL. And now what you can do is you can embed this into your website. You can embed this into Google Classroom. So let's say I want to embed this into my website. So I'm going to open up my website. I'm going to highlight, and now I'm going to create a link on my website. And since I have a URL, I'm going to paste Control-V. And now my link should be live. So I'll go ahead and click Publish. And if I go back to my actual website, right, let me hit refresh. There's the link. And there's the PlayPosit video. So they click play, and then at the 6-second mark, a question
Hello
will
and
appear.
welcome. This is episode number 1 of Tradition.
And now they have to answer the question before the video would proceed. So click 1, that's the answer I chose. Hit Submit. Right, continue.
School lunches. Today.
And the video continues on. So I use PlayPosit as a type of formative assessment. And if I simply go up to the Monitor tab and click on it, I can choose a class that I want to check. I can select a particular video that I want to check. And from here, I can see what questions students miss. So in this case, this student, this test student, missed question number 1 on how to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich. So if I do a quick scan on all the students and I notice that a bunch of students missed question number 1, question number 1 is probably something I need to have a whole class discussion on. And that's how I use PlayPosit as a formative assessment.